Now, I get asked over and over again, how do you select the perfect benchtop? It can be tricky because there's so many options out there. And then what about the splashback? Should it be tile? Should it be mirror? Should it be stone? Well, the answer is all of them can be successful, but they don't work equally well in every project. The challenge with this particular kitchen was that it's not only open plan and visible from the rest of the room, it's also visible the moment you walk through the front door. This is a 60 square metre granny flat, so it's not a large space. It's also important to be aware that when you walk in the room or you see the kitchen from the other side of the room, it's actually these surfaces that have the biggest impact rather than the bench top. My choice right from the beginning was to have the same stone on the bench top as the splashback instead of having tiles or a different texture or finish there. By minimizing the finishes, I've got one finish here and then one finish for the joinery. Now the color in this stone is quite interesting. It's got an obvious greeny undertone, but also within the stone there's some cooler elements, and that allowed me to match it with more of a blue-based color for the joinery, and I think it works really well. Verde Fantastico is a new generation man-made stone that's crystalline silica free as per government directives. At first glance, its natural looking vein is green, but there's also flecks of blue to complement the colour of the kitchen joinery. It also has great depth, replicating the look of natural stone, and there's some subtle flecks of warm gold to also talk to the timber tones that I've selected for the floor. It's so beautiful that I actually selected the benchtop first and then matched the joinery colour to it. I knew that I had to have it in this project. I had this corner situation where there's a corner here and then a return corner there. The stone mason has managed to keep the character of the stone continuing around the corner and then continuing on the inside corner. And that has elevated the whole look of my job by paying that attention to detail. It's ended up with a much more refined look, and it's really made what is quite a small, simple design kitchen into something a little bit more special.